Colombia is a land of breathtaking contrasts, rich culture, and amazing colors and flavors. Beyond its exceptional coffee, Colombian cuisine is equally rich and diverse. Today, we are making a hearty traditional rice dish that captures the warmth of the country. Arroz Atollado. Come and cook with me. Arroz Atollado is often described as a cross between Spanish paella and Italian risotto, a rice dish with meats and vegetables, but cooked to a richer, creamier consistency. Today, we are making it with long-grain rice, pork ribs, chorizo, chicken thigh, potato, tomatoes, red bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Here are the rest of the ingredients. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the pork cartilage or soft ribs into cubes. Cut the chicken thighs to about the same size. Slice the chorizo. Chop the onion and garlic. De-seed the tomatoes and chop. Do the same with the red bell pepper. Cut the potato into small cubes. Now, we got all our ingredients and ready to go.
Liking this video makes us super happy, especially if you share this with a friend. Say something in the comment. And if you don't want to miss our next video, subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit the notification bell too.
Place a heavy pot over medium heat. With a little bit of oil, cook the pork pieces until brown. Set aside. Brown the chicken in the same oil. Set aside. Do the same with the sliced chorizo. Next, sauté onion, garlic, and tomatoes until soft and fragrant. Add the red bell pepper. Tip in paprika, cumin, and salt. Stir in the rice. Mix and coat well. Return the pork, chicken, and chorizo to the pot. Pour in 3 cups of the chicken stock. Bring to gentle boil and reduce to medium-low heat. Cook uncovered and stir occasionally. Add the potatoes. Add more stock as needed. The dish should be creamy and slightly soupy. Stir in the green peas in the last 5 minutes. You can season with more salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, my dear friends. Rich and hearty Arroz Atollado from Colombia. Thank you for watching. Don't miss the season finale next week. See you.
Watching and cooking along helps this channel. But if you'd like to do a little more, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. We would appreciate it.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.